Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So my boy Mr. Talented Reed, and today's video on this 2004 Jaguar X-Type, I'm doing an AC vacuum system. So what I'm doing, I'm vacuum the AC lines because I've been seems like I'm doing some blockage there or clog. So before I do any other major work on it, I'm going to just vacuum the line first. So as you can see right here, this is the low side. This is the high side right here. Go all the way to the lines right here. So what I do, I just push down the knob right there, the valves. Come all the way up. And this yellow one from the gauge go to the vacuum pump. So I get this vacuum pump at Home Depot for $89. So as you can see right here, I'm going to show you on the key, the 2004 Jaguar X-Type 4D sedan. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.